As we all know, our aviation market is growing very rapidly. Either it's Indian aviation or abroad. Everybody is recovering in a very good pace, and we hope aviation gonna be again in a booming stage again. But on 21st of March 2022, China Eastern flight MU-5735, which took off from Kunming and it was going to Guangzhou, had been crashed. Flight took off at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, or I would say 1 p.m. 11 minutes. It should be landing at Guangzhou at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That was just a 2-hour flight, but in between the flight has been crashed in the mountains. The factor has not been known as of now. The investigation team is just investigating as of now, but there was almost 132 passengers and there was no survivor at all because the aircraft has crashed and it has got fire. Out of 132 people, 123 were the passengers and on board 9 crew members. But there is a twist. There was 18 pilots in that aircraft which were going to Guangzhou for their type of training which airline wants them to do. So in all, almost 18 pilots died. The reason for crash is not being known. The reason why this happened has not been known. It's time for us to think why this happened. The aircraft just took off at 1:11 p.m. and after 10 minutes it has already reached its cruising altitude. It was cruising at about 28,500 to 29,500 feet. सिर्फ 2 मिनट लगे उसको नीचे आने में. It's a free fall. Because on an average अगर एयरक्राफ्ट में इंजन में आग लगती है, हाइड्रोलिक फेलर होता है, कुछ भी फेलर होता है, it gonna glide and pilots कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. बट इसके साथ क्या हुआ किसी को नहीं पता. आफ्टर 1 आवर एयरक्राफ्ट हैज अ फ्री फॉल. क्या हुआ क्या नहीं, एंगल ऑफ अटैक, MCAS, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. Although MCAS is not being installed on this type of aircraft, वो 737 MAX में होते हैं. 737-800 is being used by China Eastern Airline and they have almost 103 aircraft of this type and they have grounded all the aircraft as of today. So I hope everybody who lost their loved ones should have the patience, and I guess aviation minister of that particular country अच्छे से इन्वेस्टिगेट करें. बिकॉज जनरली क्या होता है ऐसे क्रैशेस में पायलट्स की ही गलती निकालते हैं. पायलट्स ने ही किया. बट आई वॉन्ट एवरीबडी टू थिंक व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपन. एंड फ्लाइट रडार से सब कुछ मैंने ये जानकारी हासिल करी. CVR और कॉकपिट वॉइस रिकॉर्डर, फ्लाइट डेटा रिकॉर्डर, उनको ब्लैक बॉक्स मिलने के बाद इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू करेंगे एंड दे गोना इन्वेस्टिगेट व्हाट एक्चुअली वाज द प्रॉब्लम. Because this type of aircraft is not a joke. Almost 200 airlines used this aircraft as of now भी use कर रही हैं. DGCA ने भी strict action लेने को कहा है. Just after the crash, DGCA has a strict surveillance on this type of aircraft जो कि हमारी Indian Airlines यूज़ करती है, जैसे SpiceJet, Air India Express. ये एक ऐसी जानकारी थी कि हमारी एविएशन मार्केट में जब कुछ अच्छा होने लगता है, हमें लगता है उम्मीद कि अच्छा होगा, and अच्छा हो भी रहा है. But suddenly this news comes and I was fatal. I was driving a car and suddenly I got this news and I was shocked. इतना एडवांस्ड एयरक्राफ्ट फ्री फॉल हुआ तो हुआ कैसे. आपको डिटेल में वीडियो बना के बताऊंगा जब इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन आएगी मेरे पास. अभी के लिए मेरे पास इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद यू ऑल पीपल. एंड आई होप एंड आई प्रे फॉर दोज लाइव्स जिन्होंने अपनी जान गंवाई है इस एक्सीडेंट में. I hope everything gonna be safe and smooth in upcoming future.